how to fix Telegram no sound problem on iPhone. So if you want to fix your Telegram no sound problem on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your Telegram application. After that, you need to go with settings, which will be in the bottom. Now you need to scroll down and then you'll find an option of notifications and sounds. You need to tap on it. And first of all, you need to enable all these three features, which is in-app sounds and in-app vibrate, in-app preview. You'll have these options. And I also recommend you to go to the top options and make sure that these options are turned on as well. If you have turned off your notifications on your Telegram, then you just need simply go and turn it on. You can go with turn on in settings and then turn it on. After turning on your notifications, you need to go back and then you'll have data and storage. Tap on it and then go with storage usage. Now go with clear entire cache and then tap on it. And after clearing your cache, you need to go back. And if you have any updates on your Telegram, just simply go and update it. So search for Telegram, and if you have any updates right here, then you just need simply go and update it. And after updating, your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.